Hi, welcome to Counseling 144. I'm your professor, Shannon Muir, and I'm really excited that you chose to take this class. I wanted to welcome you and let you know that this class moves really fast because we're doing it in 8 weeks. I want you to know that just because it's online, it doesn't mean that we won't spend as much time as we would as an in-person class. So stay on top of everything and you'll be fine. Great news, we only have one book for this class, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. We're going to get through that whole book though, so I want you to purchase it as soon as possible because we'll have a quiz right away in week 2. Also, I wanted to show you on the screen how our class is laid out. It is laid out with 16 modules for a 16-week class, but since this is an 8-week class, we're going to be going through 2 modules every week. So like I said, we're moving really fast. So if you have any questions, please start here at course info and read about the class and the policies, and you can find the syllabus, which I'm attaching to this email. So I look forward to getting to know you. This class has a lot to do with participating online. That's your attendance. So please show up, and I look forward to a great 8 weeks with you. Okay, talk to you soon.